What is up, guys? So today I have here the Meta Quest 3, and today I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions of this VR headset. So let's get started. So first, I'm just going to start with the specifications. We have the obviously 4K displays and a 512 gigabytes of storage. And yeah, this is like a special deal that's going on with Meta. We can get the 500 gigabyte version and a free like Batman game included with this device. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and open this and do an ASMR unboxing. So let's get into that. So here we have the headset. I'm going to go ahead and power this on and stuff and see how good it is. Actually, let's see. There's that little thing in the controllers. Let's see what we have here. Looks like some charging bricks and like cable. So yeah, let's get this out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and power this on and take a quick look at the instructions and everything. So I'll be right back. So it's been a full month since I filmed, and I want to say I absolutely love... Oh, I got some hair on there, or whatever. I want to say that I absolutely love this Meta Quest 3. It's easily one of the best headsets that I've tried, and for the price, I would honestly say it's way better than the Apple Vision Pro. So let's dive into why and my favorite things about it. Interesting, because I've never filmed a review of a headset, so I'm gonna have to do some a lot of b-roll. So obviously one of the most impressive things about this headset is the cameras and the pass-through mode and the screens itself. So as you can see, you can kind of see what's going on around me. It is flashing because it's like a screen through a screen, or screen through a camera. So yeah, as you can see, there's pass-through modes. There's a bunch of different things I'll show you. I'll put some b-roll on screen, but once you put the headset on, you're gonna see everything around you. Okay, so once you put the headset on, you're gonna see everything in front of you. You're just gonna see your hands, see little things on it. You can press to open your menu, and you can drag stuff down. Don't mind my dogs. But as you can see, you have your different apps here. So you have videos, you have your contacts, you have YouTube, stuff like that. And it's just a really good experience. As you can see, here's my phone here. You can see everything that's in my space. You can see the controllers, and this does have full hand tracking, as you can see here. Or you could switch to the controllers just by picking them up, and it's a really fast, seamless way to just do stuff. And it's just really, really cool. So as you can see here, this is now what I'm seeing, and it's just so cool. You can switch back and forth by pressing that little icon, or switch to hands, just pressing, double tapping the headset there. And as you can see, you get this full immersion, which is just so cool. As you can see all around me, I got everything here, which is just so cool. And as you can see, this is the house. It just looks so cool. There's also a bunch of games you can play on here. There's a mirror that's over there. You can see myself. You can wave. You can do different things. So yeah, it's just so fun. And this isn't even scratching the surface. Okay, so something that sets this headset apart from other ones is the fact that you get access to Meta Horizon, or basically it's just the metaverse. So here, as you can see, I'm in this little area, kind of like a launch point, so you can just on your right controller just press the button. As you can see, when I start talking, it'll kind of like lip sync almost my avatar's mouth, even though it can't see my mouth, which is kind of cool. It kind of looks like I'm talking there. So yeah, let's go ahead and just go. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's go ahead, let this load, go into the Horizon Central, just the central part of the city. So let's go there. I don't know what's there. We go. Okay, so now that we're going to Horizon Central, obviously by Meta Horizon, it's just gonna load. You can kind of look at, there's a desert over there. There is the city skyline right in front of you, and to your left there's just like an island with some countryside. So yeah, this is gonna be your view. So it's gonna just kind of start loading. Okay, and here is the metaverse. So, okay, looks like someone opened a portal to somewhere. So let's not go in there. And once you step through this area, you're going to step into the metaverse. So you're going to be able to talk to people. You can see all those people out here will be able to hear you, which is interesting. So if you don't like that, then it's not going to be for you. But let's go ahead and step in it. So as you see here, there's like the city in the background, and all around you is just kind of different people. They can see their avatars still starting to load. But yeah, it's just super cool. You can jump, do stuff like that. Okay, people are muting me. Okay, that's fine. Okay. But yeah, so it is definitely really cool. So you can just do different activities. There's like different like venues and stuff. So that's just kind of fun. So that's what the metaverse is. Okay, another thing is these windows. So these windows have crazy tracking, even if like they're stationary, if they're in your digital or in your real environment. It's good tracking, and it's just solid. It's not tracking, I don't know what it's called, but like how it just places the thing in your space, like it doesn't move. It's like really good at that, whatever that's called. Okay, and there's also different gestures that are kind of similar to Apple's app like Vision and Pro. So as you can see, when you like kind of look at your palms, you see the Meta button. So you can use that to open your apps, or like pinch it to access this menu so you can mute your. There we go. I think I'm unmuted now. And you can just like do Meta AI. Tap out of that. And you can do pass through, turn on or off, stop recording, recenter. So that just, I mean, kind of like how it sounds, just recenters everything. So it's just a really cool little like smartwatch almost. And if you look at your wrist in the metaverse, you will have like a little watch thing that appears. So that's kind of cool. You can see my hand glitching a little bit when you overlay it, but it's doing pretty good. So yeah, overall, I love the Meta Quest's like interactiveness, like how you use the Quest to interact with stuff. As you can see, when you get close like to your boundary, you kind of start to see your surroundings. So that's a really nice feature. So yeah, overall, I love the like operating system of the Meta Quest 3. Okay, and let's talk about these controllers. So these controllers are really nice. They did get kind of scuffed up a little bit, but that should just wipe kind of off with like some soap. I think it's just some paint that kind of got on it. So I'll put like a little caption if I could get it off or not. But yeah, these controllers are definitely super nice. They do have batteries that you have to change out, which is kind of annoying. I wish they had like wireless charging or something, but not that big of an issue. They do have vibration motors in it, so it's definitely really nice. You have like the little thumb thingy, the different buttons, do different tasks, stuff like that, and the trigger buttons. I don't really know what they're called. I'm not big into gaming, so I don't really know what it's called, but definitely nice. And you can take these off if you do not like them, so just kind of go like as if you're going to replace the battery. Just press the button, slide the Joy-Con thingy, and pop that out. Put it back in, and you're all set. I do kind of prefer it without, just because you don't have something hitting your hand. Unless you want it, it can be kind of nice if you just put it in. So when you drop your controllers, they just kind of stay there. So it's definitely nice, but if you don't like it, you can definitely remove it if wanted. So yeah, these controllers are definitely really nice, and they're super comfortable, which is definitely important, and it just kind of feels natural to like use them. Okay, so overall, I absolutely love the Meta Quest 3. It's easily, like I said at the beginning of the video, one of my favorite VR headsets. It's just, you get a great package. It's great for gaming. It's also great for just everyday use. And pretty much it can do everything the Apple Vision Pro can do, except for eye tracking. And stuff does get kind of like glitchy sometimes. And the pass-through isn't quite up to the quality of the Apple Vision Pro, but it's definitely really great. We can like adjust the eyes. I didn't mention that either. You can adjust the like position of the eyes. definitely a solid headset, even considering it's like 2 years old at this point. So yeah, the Meta Quest 3 is just overall an awesome headset. Definitely really love it. I can definitely recommend it to you if you're interested in picking it up. Yeah, overall, it's been an awesome experience with the Meta Quest 3. I definitely love it. I can definitely recommend it to you if you're like looking for a VR headset that's an affordable cost. So like I said, definitely can recommend it. I'll leave some links down in the description to where you can pick it up from Meta's website. And thank you so much for watching this review. Not really the video I normally post, but if you want to watch some other reviews on other tech products, definitely consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.